My name's Jason Hodges. It's been an absolute honour to be asked to come here today to launch
The all-new WORX LANDROID Vision.
robotic lawnmower. He's a game changer for lots of people. I've got an 88-year-old father who still lives in our family home, and if this is one of the reasons why he can stay on that family home which he grew up in, I think that's far nicer experience for him later in life than being in a convalescent home or retirement village, which isn't for him. So it gives people in their older age options. It gives busy people options. You don't have to have someone come over and mow your lawn, so you don't have to worry about security. There's so many reasons why these work.
I gotta say, I do not like mowing the lawn. As a horticulturalist and a landscape designer for many years, I love pruning, I love shaping, I love trimming, I love planting, but I do not like mowing the lawn.
The future is now. Robots are doing everything else. Why don't they mow our lawns as well?
I'm really excited. I think it's a game changer, and yeah, I'm lining up today to get one.